Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Well, today's your lucky day. Let's make that dream paycheck a daily reality. Today, I'm about to unveil the secrets that will not only make you earn money, but also make you the go-to person in your niche. Stick around and let's turn those dreams into dollar signs. Today, we're diving into the ever-evolving landscape of online services. The tech world has seen its fair share of challenges and innovations in 2023, but here's the exciting part. The opportunities in 2024 are enormous. In this video, I'm going to unravel the top 3 online services you can drop service for massive success. Stay tuned because we're about to turn the page on a new chapter of digital entrepreneurship. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights. Drop servicing is without a doubt one of the top businesses of the moment, where you can turn day-to-day services into successful businesses with the right idea. Unlike traditional service providers who deliver the service themselves, drop services act as intermediaries, outsourcing tasks to skilled freelancers or agencies. This innovative approach allows entrepreneurs to leverage a wide array of talents without personally possessing each skill. What sets drop servicing apart is its scalability and low initial investment, making it accessible to a global audience. With the increasing popularity of online marketplaces and the gig economy, drop servicing has become a lucrative business model, enabling entrepreneurs to tap into a diverse pool of talents and offer specialized services to clients around the world. And becoming a drop servicer comes with a range of benefits that contribute to its increasing popularity. One significant advantage is the low entry barrier. Unlike traditional business models that often require substantial upfront investments, drop servicing allows entrepreneurs to start with minimal capital. This makes it accessible to a broader audience, promoting a culture of business and creativity. Scalability is another key benefit. As a drop servicer, you can scale your business without the constraints of hiring full-time employees or managing physical infrastructure. Leveraging freelancers or agencies enables you to adapt quickly to fluctuating workloads and diversify your service offerings, catering to a wide range of client needs. Drop servicing lets you connect with people worldwide. Thanks to online platforms and communication tools, drop services can tap into a global talent pool and connect with clients worldwide. This not only expands business opportunities, but also exposes entrepreneurs to diverse markets and trends, enhancing their adaptability and competitiveness. Entrepreneurs like you have the freedom to choose their niche, set their prices, and determine their working hours. This autonomy allows for a better work-life balance and the pursuit of passion projects. Plus, it helps reduce risks, which is a big advantage. By outsourcing tasks to skilled professionals, drop services reduce the risk associated with providing services they may need to have more expertise in. In essence, drop servicing offers a pathway to entrepreneurship that is adaptable, scalable, and accessible, making it an attractive option for those seeking financial independence, global impact, and a flexible work lifestyle. If you've been finding value in the content so far, consider hitting that like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Your efforts fuel our motivation to keep bringing you valuable insights and practical tips. Now let's shift gears and delve into the heart of today's discussion: the services you can offer as a drop servicer. Some incredible drop servicing niches that are not only in high demand, but also offer substantial profit potential. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone looking to expand your existing business, stay tuned because we've got some game-changing ideas coming your way. So let's kick things off with the first service: infographics designs. Infographics are like the rock stars of visual content, and businesses, bloggers, and educators are always looking for eye-catching designs. In the drop servicing world, you could provide tailored infographic design services for businesses, educational institutions, and bloggers. You could also specialize in converting complex data into visually appealing and easy to understand infographics. You could even develop interactive and dynamic infographics that engage users with clickable elements for websites and digital presentations. Infographics, the visual storytellers of the digital age, hold immense potential within drop servicing. So as a drop servicer, consider offering specialized infographic design services to cater to the ever-growing demand for visually compelling content. This niche offers a unique opportunity to showcase creativity and graphic design skills, transforming data and concepts into engaging visual narratives. Furthermore, you can delve into specific areas within the infographic design niche, such as data visualization services, interactive infographics, or even creating infographic templates for various industries. By sharpening your expertise in any domain, you position yourself as a go-to person for clients. As businesses increasingly recognize the importance of visual communication in their marketing strategies, your drop servicing venture in the infographic design niche can offer a valuable and in-demand service. So embrace the power of infographics to enhance your drop servicing portfolio and elevate your client's visual presence in the digital world. Here are some drop servicing ideas to cash in on this trend. Customize infographic creation. Tailor-made designs for businesses, educators, and bloggers. Data visualization services, turning complex data into visually appealing infographics. Interactive infographics, engage users with clickable elements for websites and digital presentation. Infographic templates, sell customizable templates for various industries. Social media infographic design, craft infographics optimized for sharing on social platforms. Educational infographics, produce visuals for textbooks, e-learning courses, and academic presentations. Infographic video creation, combine design with animation for engaging promotional videos. The second one in this trend is the powerhouse, which is search engine optimization, also called SEO. In a world where everyone wants to be on the first page of Google, SEO services are in high demand. As a drop servicer, specializing in SEO services opens up a realm of opportunities to cater to the ever-growing demand for improved search engine rankings and online presence. By offering comprehensive SEO services, you can become the bridge between clients and skilled SEO professionals. Your role involves understanding clients' needs, conducting SEO audits, competitor analysis, and providing tailored solutions. This allows businesses to focus on their core operations while your experts handle the intricacies of SEO for them in your name. Your SEO drop servicing business can embrace a variety of services such as keyword research and analysis, identify high potential keywords for clients, on-page SEO optimization, optimize website content, meta tags, headers, and images, backlink building strategies, develop campaigns to improve website authority, local SEO services, optimize business listings for local search visibility, SEO content writing, create blog posts, articles, and web content, technical SEO audits, identify and fix technical issues, e-commerce SEO, tailor services for online stores. In addition, you can offer regular reporting and analytics, keeping clients informed about their website's performance and the impact of SEO efforts. So drop servicing SEO is about creating a seamless connection between businesses seeking enhanced online visibility and a network of skilled SEO professionals. It's a win-win scenario where clients achieve their digital goals and you as a drop servicer contribute to their success while building a sustainable business model. Thanks for hanging in with me so far on this journey through top-notch drop servicing skills. So before we unveil the grand finale, thanks to everyone who's been sticking around thus far. Now the last and arguably the best skill we've saved for this moment is about to be revealed. Trust me, it's a game changer in the drop servicing universe. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, stick around. The last one in this list is ads, which is the easiest way to drive traffic to any website or business. As a drop servicer, specializing in ad creation services opens up a dynamic avenue to connect skilled professionals with clients eager to maximize their reach in the digital landscape. However, creating successful ads is no walk in the park. It requires appealing visuals, compelling ad copy, and an eye-catching call to action. It's where the ads creation niche comes in. Many businesses struggle with ad creation, and that's where you come in to save the day. Imagine offering services like Google Ads campaign creation, designing and managing Google Ads campaigns, including search, display, and video ads, Facebook and Instagram ad services, crafting targeted ad campaigns for Facebook and Instagram, including carousel ads, video, and story ads, LinkedIn advertising, developing professional ad campaigns for LinkedIn with a focus on B2B marketing and networking, YouTube video ads, producing and managing video ads for YouTube, optimizing for audience engagement and reach, Twitter advertising, creating engaging Twitter ad campaigns, including promoted tweets, trends, and profile, Pinterest ad campaigns, designing visually appealing ads for Pinterest to drive traffic and sales, Snapchat ads, developing creative and interactive ad campaigns for Snapchat, targeting a younger demographic. Furthermore, you can offer specialized services like retargeting and remarketing ads, native advertising, and even the design of banner and display ads. By sharpening your expertise in this niche, you position yourself as a valuable partner in elevating the online visibility and marketing strategies of your clients. In essence, drop servicing ads is not just about creating visuals, it's about crafting compelling narratives that strike the target audience. By leveraging the power of ad creation services, you contribute to the success of businesses in a digital world that thrives on effective marketing. So if you're ready to make waves in the dynamic field of online advertising, consider incorporating ad creation services into your drop servicing portfolio. It's time to turn the creativity into a revenue generating machine. By immersing yourself in this focused pursuit, you not only elevate your expertise, but also open doors to unparalleled opportunities and rewards. Specializing helps you get really good at something, bringing personal satisfaction and financial success. So pick wisely, dive in, and see how mastering your craft can reshape your journey to success. And there you have it, drop services, 3 killer niches with endless profit potential. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which niche has caught your eye. Share this video with your fellow mates and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, keep hustling and turning those ideas into dollars. I'm signing off.